Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Craigslist post. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will then take you into the official Craigslist website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner. Just use your login credentials and you will be logged into your account. Now from the home page, click on the account icon once again after logging in, and then you will be taken into your account postings homepage. Now right from this page, if you wish to delete a post, you can simply click on the delete option underneath the manage tab for each post that you have made. If you simply click on the delete button, the post will immediately be deleted. If you wish to undelete it, you can simply click on undelete this posting and the delete will be undone. If you change your mind once again, you can click on delete this posting from this screen as well, or you can make some edits by clicking on edit this posting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete a posting that you have made on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.